Alright guys, how are we doing? It is Mo, aka Paid Trader. How are you guys doing? I feel like it's been a while. It's been a crazy couple of weeks, but I'm back. Was at an awesome conference. Met with one of my favorite traders ever also. But anyway, I'm back real quick. We're gonna just dive into these charts, and we're gonna knock this out. I'm gonna show you guys my levels of interest and where I look to be making some pips today. And let's keep it rolling. All right, so let's get this thing started here. So here we have the pound dollar. These magenta lines are my levels of interest. We aren't even close. And then these yellow lines here are my aggressive levels of interest, where I would be looking to take an aggressive short or long, or long. But I would have to say we're running into an action line right in here, and the way the pound dollar has been moving and acting has been really interesting. It's been finding these really funky consolidation areas, these consolidation zones, which I call crunchies, because they kind of look like someone crunched them up, and just been hanging out there. So, really short burst, and then, crunchies, not really much movement. If we take this out to the 4 hour, you can see we're in a pretty awesome range at the moment. And you know how I feel about ranges. You know how I like to trade them. And as to be expected, we got a reaction off of the action line, off of Main Street here. And I still anticipate probably some movement further down. So let's get back to the 15. So I anticipate some movement further down until this area. We have quite a bit of things in the way, but I do anticipate us getting down into this area, and then once we break this level of interest, I will be looking for my longs. Now, if we do come up into this area, I don't anticipate that we will go much further. If we do hit my level of interest up north, you know me, I'll be looking for a short. So let's see what happens with the pound dollar. So I'll be looking for a short right in here. Let's start this over. Okay, so looking for a short right in here. The 2266 area. Then we also have the 2286 area. So about 20 pip area with a solid above upside resistance. But I think this is gonna be key as to what will happen right here. We've got Main Street just popping, and if you guys know me, you guys know what Main Street is. This is the area that sees all the action. So we'll see what happens. But man, it'd be nice for it to come down in here, get a nice little long, and call it a day. So now let's shoot on over to my other favorite pair, the Euro Yen. Okay, start this on over. Okay, so we're coming up into my aggressive level of interest. Will we break it? We don't know, but ideally I like for it to come up into my normal, my tradable level of resistance, I guess, so to speak. I'm gonna have to come up with a new term right in here. But we have some headwinds, some solid headwinds. We do have an action zone. We do have Main Street running through right here on a bigger time frame, and we have some upside resistance as well. So if we did come up in here, looking for my shorts as always, at 0.43 through 0.61, And then down in here, we also do have some resistance, but not nearly as much. So, I could definitely also see it coming in here. My levels here, 0.40 and 0.22. So a breach of these areas, I'll be looking for my longs. So guys, these are my levels of interest for today. Hopefully they come in handy, and hopefully you guys trade them well and use them with much abandon. All right. So, but hey guys, also want to keep you guys posted about something huge that's going to be taking place here shortly in the next few weeks. I am going to be doing a $1,000 to $100,000 challenge. That's right, I said it. I am going to attempt to turn $1,000 into $100,000 in 1 year. Can I do it? Hey, why not? Let's give it a go. Now, in order to follow along, head on over to Alps Social, which is the most amazing brand new trading social network. It's more than what you were thinking it is right now. It's awesome. But anyway, I'm going to be on there and look out for it, because that's where it's going to go down, guys. That's where it's going to go down. 100K. Excuse me. Yeah, 100K is the target. Starting off with $1,000. Can I do it? Let's give it a go, and you guys can follow along. Jump in if you want, but look out for more information coming your way. I'll keep you guys posted on these trades.